Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Mary Heine, and this is my assignment 2 topic for fisheries management. The area of study I have chosen is going to be in Michigan rather than Oklahoma. I'm from Oklahoma, but there wasn't enough dams to complete the assignment. Therefore, I'll be doing my assignment on Michigan. And I've chosen Michigan specifically because that's where my boyfriend is from and where his family is at, so that's where I will be spending a lot of time at in the next few years. So why Michigan? I've been there before, and it is a beautiful state, but I have yet to explore the nature side of it. I've only spent time in the cities. And our next biggest trips up there will include the Sleeping Bear sand dunes and Pictured Rocks. So the specific species impacted by dams. So the first dam is a brown bridge dam, which impacts the brook trout, brown trout, and rainbow trout. The next one will be the Boardman Dam, which affects the white and long-nosed suckers, walleye, lake sturgeon, lake trout, smallmouth bass, and northern pike. And lastly, the Sabin Dam, which affects the steelhead, coho salmon, and chinhook salmon. So what I have learned while completing this assignment, firstly, is that the impacts of these dams have caused negative economic actions to the areas and people they were supposed to service. This specifically goes for the Brown Bridge Dam. From what I've read, before the removal of the dam actually broke and flooded a great part of the area, and citizens actually sued the city for the damage that the flood caused. And then next I found out that the removal of these dams does include something called a fish pass, which aims to limit invasive species in the waterways. The way they described it was like an easy pass for fish, which I'm not all too sure how it works. I have to do more research on it, but it's meant to let the native fish species pass through certain areas. I would think for spawning and whatnot, and it's supposed to limit the invasive species, ones that they don't want there in the Broadman River, from repopulating and getting into areas that they don't want. So this concludes my presentation, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you.